This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cabin air filter replacement. Open the passenger's side door, then open the glove box door. Disconnect the door stop strap and door stops using a screwdriver, then remove the glove box door. Release the filter cover tabs, then pull the cover down and remove the filter element. Clean any debris from around the opening. Install the new filter element into the housing with the airflow direction arrow pointing downward. Close the filter cover, making sure all 3 locking tabs are in place. Install the glove box over the pivots onto the instrument panel and push the glove box inward until the glove box snaps into the pivots. Pull the stop strap downward and raise the glove box. Then insert the end of the stop strap into the hole on the side of the glove box. With the glove box partially raised, insert the right side and left side stops into the side of the glove box. Once the stops are in place, pull the glove box door downward to lock the stops into place. Close the glove box door.